Let's talk about our automatic heat press machine now. We do have two of these in the Creator Lab, which is great because now you can make double the projects in half the time. And as the name says, this is your automatic heat press. So unlike the other two Cricut heat presses that we have in the Creator Lab, which are manual, where you do have to stand there and press the material for the time that it needs in order for the image to adhere, this is 100% automatic. For this, please do your research before you come here and figure out how to use the machine. If you need to, bring your iPads, your phones, your laptops to the lab with you because they all have different temperature settings and time settings. And one other thing that this one does have is that there is a force setting. So what that means is the machine will be able to press lightly, medium, or extra firmly, depending on the material that you're working with. As soon as the machine is plugged in, the light does flash, so you know that's your power button. The last use settings is what pops up on here. So depending on what you've looked up, you may want to change your temperature setting and your time setting. Here's your temperature button here, your time button here. If you press the temperature button, it will flash and you can increase the temperature or you can decrease the temperature. Same goes for the time. You push the time button right here with the clock. You can increase the time or you can decrease the time. Depending on what you have set, this means that the machine is getting ready. When it's ready to go, it will turn green. While you are waiting for that though, this one has a pull-out tray. This is where your blank will go. So you press your blank down on the pad. Mine is already getting warm because this does heat up really quickly, so please do be careful. You put your material down, you do put your image down, and when the light turns green, you can push it in and you can press. I know my button isn't green yet, but for the sake of time, when you do press this button, this tells the machine that it's ready to go, and you can see that the upper plate does go down. When the time is up, the machine will automatically release and the top plate will come up. But for some reason, if you're thinking that it's just too long of a time, you can always interrupt the machine as well and lift up and it will come back up. So there is a little bit wiggle room here in case you've decided that maybe the time setting was wrong or you're just not sure about anything. And when the project is done, you pull out your tray and your material is right there for you. Once again, as a reminder, it is very hot, so you might want to wait a few seconds before you pull off your material off the tray. But this is very easy, and what I like about this is because it's automatic, while this is going, if you're the only person in the Creator Lab, you can have two machines going at once. Maybe while you're doing this, you're pressing something else or working on something else around here. So this is a time saver. This will help you and your arms if you're making a lot of projects at one time. So definitely come check out the automatic heat press. What a valuable addition to our Creator Lab. But once again, I cannot emphasize enough, this is not a plug and play. You can't just turn it on and expect the machine to do the work for you. Please take the time to search up in your browser, to search up on YouTube what you're pressing, what material you're using, and it will recommend to you the heat settings and the time settings. For my own personal situations though, I find that those settings don't always necessarily work for me, so definitely play around with it. As always, with every machine, I will let you know that there is trial and error, so always practice. Don't expect the machine to intuitively know what you're making. Definitely work together with it. But once you get the hang of it, you're going to love being able to use this machine and being able to come to the Creator Lab to use it.